Joe Biden was diagnosed with an aggressive form of prostate cancer that has metastasized into his bone. Of course, it is very tragic, and there is a wave of sympathy for the former president, but also there are growing calls for investigations. If the White House was lying about Biden's cancer diagnosis while he was in office, more and more experts are coming forward and stating that it is very unlikely that the cancer was caught so late in the game. They maintain that the disease must have spread over the last 5 to 7 years, and that of course begs the question, how come nobody detected the disease while Joe Biden was in office? And more nefarious, if it was detected, why wasn't it shared with the public? It seems to be a cover-up that is also aligning with other revelations about the declining health of Joe Biden while he was in office, which was outlaid in a number of tell-all books on the market here in the US, stating that Joe Biden did not recognize George Clooney. His staff was considering a wheelchair for him because of the falls he has suffered a number of times, and all this obviously was kept from the public, a gigantic cover-up. And now there is a official in the Justice Department, and he stated that he wants investigations, criminal investigations, even against Jill Biden, the former First Lady. He maintains that what was happening was a form of elder abuse because Jill Biden must have known about her husband's health. She must have known that it is declining, and she still obviously was on his side when he wanted to even run for re-election before he was pushed out after a disastrous campaign. All these questions remain. They're getting louder. Also, of course, Donald Trump, the successor of Joe Biden, weighed in and was also wondering how come nobody knew about this. It is a growing scandal, and it is another black eye for the Democrats, really, who tried to regain momentum after the devastating loss against Donald Trump in last year's election.